Okay, this is our last example. It's actually example E, not F. Anyways, the diagram shows a door that has a painting on it. The front faces of the door and the painting are similar rectangles. They have the dimensions shown. What is W? The width of the painting in inches. So this is similar figures, and you have one inside the other. So I'm going to redraw it so that it's not so tricky. Okay, so the big one is 150 and the side is 60. The little one, the painting, is W up here and 48 right here. Okay, now these are rectangles. One thing that you know about rectangles, or you should, is that the opposite sides are the same. So if this says 150 here, that means that this is 150 as well. Okay, so now I'm going to make a proportion and solve it. The way I would do it, again, there are other ways, but the way I would do it is by using the picture to make my proportion. I would put a fraction bar right there, and a fraction bar right there, and an equal sign between them. And my proportion would be 150 over 60 equals W over 48. Okay, one thing that you can definitely do here to make it easier, there's actually a lot of shortcuts that you could use, but I don't want to try and confuse anybody. One thing, though, that is too easy to not do, whenever they have a matching 0 here, you can cancel them. It's really just dividing by 10. You're simplifying it. But if you do that, now your numbers are a lot smaller and it seems easier. You could simplify it more, but, I'm not going to do that right now. I want to make sure that everybody knows how to do their cross multiplication before I get into all of that. Okay, now I'm going to cross multiply. I have 6 in W, so 6 times W is 6W, and that equals 15 times 48. Okay, so 48 times 15. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. Put a 0 there. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. Add this up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So I have 720. 6W equals 720. Now I'm not done yet. I need to make sure that that W is by itself. And right now, it is being multiplied by 6. So to get rid of that, I need to divide both sides by 6. So that's going to go away. W is going to be by itself. And now I just need to do that division. 720 divided by 6. 6 will go into 7 one time. 6, subtract, and you get 1. Bring down the 2. 6 goes into 12 2 times, exactly. But we still have this 0 here, because that's going to come straight up. So, W equals 120. And this is inches. So that one actually wasn't too hard. It certainly wasn't as hard as the last one. You just, you need to make sure that you redraw it so that it's not confusing. Make it as simple as you can to help yourself.